Switching gears now, a new federal grant hopes to break barriers and help law enforcement understand mental health. News 9's Felice Romero spoke to the Oklahoma Department of Mental Health about how the money will impact our communities. Felice?
The state agency dedicated to mental health support says it has already helped 1,900 law enforcement officers. They say this 5-year grant will only further their efforts across Oklahoma. Crisis intervention training.
This is a really important topic to be talking about, and really law enforcement agencies are very receptive to this.
And it's not a crime to be mentally ill. How do we keep that most vulnerable part of our population safe?
The federal government will give the Oklahoma Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse $121,000 every year for 5 years to further CIT training.
Supports our efforts with law enforcement training throughout the state, allows us to further our outreach and schedule additional trainings.
Over the years, the department has trained 170 agencies, some police stations taking it upon themselves to further their efforts.
38% of my commissioned force are CIT trained, 61 officers. That includes all 8 of our school resource officers.
The week-long training addresses various mental health issues and solutions.
We talk about juvenile issues, we talk about co-occurring disorders, meaning a mental illness and substance abuse. We talk about suicide. We talk about communications in a crisis situation.
Lieutenant Kerry Bryant has been a CIT instructor for 9 years and says he sees firsthand how useful the training is.
They look back at some of those interactions and go, I could have handled that differently had I known what I know now.
The Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse also offers refresher courses to officers after they finish training. Felice Romero, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.